Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the slice preparation effect to your video in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select images, right, and you're just going to go to effect. On trending video effect you can find slice vibration, but this is pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. Alright, I'm just going to merge it and select slash vibration. For the duration is name, and you can adjust for atmosphere, color, strings, glow, size, and then speed. And you can see for final result like this. And you can add the audio, transition, and more. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.